We are doing very well. What about you?
Good, good. Thank you for reaching out. I was looking at your website and just wanted to see how you can help our business.
Okay, thank you so much for joining with us. Okay. At first, I'll have to introduce about ourselves, and then we're gonna talk about our project. Okay. Okay. Myself, Rifat
My,
Sharkar,
my
and
name's Charlie. Nice to meet you. My name's
okay.
Charlie. What's your name?
Yes, my name is Rifat Sharkar.
Sifat Shoka. How nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, thank you so much. And actually, Sabha, he's reached out to you, and I am his team member and agency owner also, and we are working together in digital marketing
Okay.
sector, and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. So this purpose, today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel, and you have a great YouTube channel, and you wanna get more views, get more traffic, get more audience in your channel. Am I right?
Look, it's an avenue, but I just want to see what you can do to support. See, just so you know about my business, I have a real estate property management business. So it's not a. Have you like for me the average real estate in Sydney does sales and property management. So property management is we rent properties on behalf of clients and manage the property, which is the tenants and the landlords. I don't do any sales, so my business is a little bit more unique. So like there's not many of my type of business in my field because they do both. They do my service, but they also do sales and they focus more on sales most of the other real estate. So look, I'll tell you why I do the YouTube videos. The reason why we do the YouTube videos is it's a strategy for us when we advertise a property for lease. We allow people to see the property through our videos before they physically inspect the property. So we put that on our portals and advertising the properties to obviously generate some interest. YouTube is great. I need to understand how it would help our business to generate more influence, if you get what I mean, and leads. Because at the moment, I don't use any. I don't find any success in the digital media space with people reaching out to us because of digital media. For me, my business growth has been through my hard work and clients referring us and word of mouth, if you get what I mean. So,
Yes.
but happy to hear to see how you can support us.
Okay, so we can work with many type of ways, like we can work organically, and also we can work by paid work. As like we can work for you SEO and optimization and organic work that calls SEO, that means search engine optimization, and organic promotion work, and also AEO, that means AI engine optimization. There is the 100% organic work, and when we do SEO work, we have to research for you your niche related targeted keyword. And keyword means word and sentences that are searching your niche related targeted people. That means word or sentences. So we have to find out this type of word and sentences, and we have to input and include this keyword on your video's backend section, like your video's title section, your video's description section, also your video's text section. And when we successfully input and include this keyword on your video's backend section, then when your audience search on YouTube according to your niche and keyword, then your videos will shows YouTube and Google top search result. And this is the way your targeted audience and customer can find your channel and can contact with you. So this is the organic work, and also we have to do the AEO work. Nowadays the AI era, and a lot of people ask to AI suggest me blah blah blah. Okay, so we have to optimize your videos for AI. That means AI engine. And then when people ask to AI about your business and niche, AI can suggest your channel and your contact number, etc. This is the organic work. And also we have paid work. That means paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, or if you wanna spend money on Google, then we can run for you campaign in your specific location, in your specific niche. We can run campaign to your targeted people, that when people search about real estate, etc., your niche, then they will get your sponsor result, and they can give you the leads, etc., that you want actually. So we have two type of thing, organic and paid work both. So we can do as per your requirement.
Look, at this stage, we're still very small, so like marketing budget is tight. So it just depends on how much things cost to get there. Because obviously for us, we're a very young company. We only started at the end of 2024, so we're still very young. We're still in the growth phase, so we're not, there with stability. We've got, a certain amount of properties under management, but not a huge amount. So we'd love to kind of grow and be in that phase where we organically grow probably at this stage. But yeah, look, I'm waiting to see what approach and what things cost and what you can do to make things grow. Because what I'm noticing for us is my competitors, because they do sales, they have bigger marketing budgets. So when I say bigger marketing budgets, I find that the corporations always have more money to spend. And unfortunately, we live in that digital world where whoever spends more money gets seen more. So, the mindset needs to be, how can I help this company grow effectively without just sitting there burning hundreds of thousands of dollars or thousands of dollars? That's the biggest thing for us. So yeah, I'm waiting for you to let me know what you think you can do to. I mean, have you got any other clients like us at the moment?
Yes, of course. So we have done many type of work about both work. I will share you. And if you don't have biggest budget, then I can suggest you can choose the organic work because it's very effective for long time sustainable growing. So I will suggest you can choose first of all the organic work. And in this organic work, we don't have to spend a lot of money, a lot of budget. We have to pay just a minimum budget, that is our service charge, and we will do for you SEO and AEO. It's not give you just overnight result, but we will see the result for long time, and I think we will see the result after some days, okay, in organic result. So it's very effective. But in this session, we have to focus on our content quality. We have to create good quality content and thumbnail, etc., so that people can click on our videos, that they can get our videos and our business related information. So we have to ensure people that they can consume our content. So we have to get sales from our content. So that is the main thing. So that's why we have to make good quality of we have to make good content actually. Okay. Yeah.
We will look. I mean, I don't know if you've searched our socials, but we do make content pretty regular. So if you have a look at our social posts, you will see that we try and post as much as we can, and we try and do a variety of things at the moment. So look, I understand. I've researched the SEO stuff. I've researched the AIO stuff. For me, I just need to understand how. I mean, the approach needs to be firstly, how much does your services cost? Secondly, I need to see results from other companies you've supported, because I'll be honest with you, just from my experience so far, we have consistently posted online every day or every second day for the last year and a half. I don't think I've had many leads whatsoever digitally, and that's posting on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube. My Google business page gets posts as well. I get reviews. I'm a 5-star with 80 reviews. So, digitally, we look very strong. Where if you go into ChatGPT and write, who is the best property manager in Matraville, which is where we're based in Sydney, our company is already getting recommended. You get what I mean? So
Yes.
I'm just not seeing the results digitally. So you need to kind of convince me today how you think you're going to make it better and get the leads, because at the moment I haven't seen those results despite the effort that's been applied. Do you get what I mean? And that's with
I
us.
understood. Yes. Okay.
So look, I want you to go to ChatGPT now. You're on the other side of the globe. I want you to search who is the best property manager in Matraville, and let me know if my company comes up.
Okay, I understand. Then we have to at first research. We have to at first research our ChatGPT, Gemini, and others AI tools
Yeah.
information, and we have to research, you have a local business, that means local business center, so we have to test by how much keyword you are ranking on Google top search result, and also we have to check out your all social media's post and engagement of that you are getting on this platform. So we have to research on this thing, and we have to find out the problem why we are not getting enough views, enough leads, enough business quality leads, etc. And then we have to research your competitor also, that we can find out our problem, and after that we can report you what is the problem and what next, what should we do, and then we will get a proper roadmap. And I think after finish our meeting, my colleague will send you all of the sheet and information by writing. Then you can see your current situation and your competitor situation and what next. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So right now, can
Right.
I share my screen to show you our agency, our previous work and their results, so that you can know why you choose us?
Yeah.
Okay. We have done a lots of work. Just let me show you. So if you search on Google, just freelancing school BD, you can see freelancing school BD.site. It's our domain name, and now you can
What is
see
it called? Freelance? Is it freelance?
freelancing school BD.site. After finish our meeting, my colleague will send you the link.
Okay.
You can check.
Yeah.
You can see it's me. So if you click on our portfolio section, then you can see we have done a lots of work, work proof sheet, YouTube video promotion, YouTube SEO before and after. And you can see, if you click on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, social media management, we have done a both of work. You can check actually, very good results. So if you click on our client meeting section, then you can see we have done a lots of work. Okay, so you can check. So if you click on our team section, then you can see our full team. Yes, after finish
Yeah.
our meeting, he will send you the link. Then you can check, you can verify by your own.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, for me at the moment, send me the information. I'll have to speak to my business partner as well about this stuff, but send me the information. I'm open to it. I just need to see what, how I need a roadmap as to what you think you can achieve for us and what things would cost. Because for us, it's a fine line at the moment. We're not big, we're not small. We're at that phase where we're just looking to grow to that next level so we can have that stability in the company. Do you know what I mean? So we just want to try and, invest in the right way rather than invest in the wrong way at the moment, if you get what I mean.
Yes, and I understand. Then after finish our meeting, we have to research at first your whole business and also your competitor business that are existing on your current location. Then we can report you via Google Sheet. You can take a look, and after that, we can make for you a good budget, because budget will be according to project, right?
Yeah, okay. Sure.
We can send you a proper roadmap, then you can take a look, then we can make a deal if it have a suitable from your side, right?
No problem. All right. So look, do you need anything from me at the moment?
Not now. If we need, then we can confirm you.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. So do you have any more question?
Not at this stage. No. I'll wait for your proposal. You can have a look at our socials and things like that, and you let me know what you think needs more support. I think personally, I think our website is not the best in the sense of SEO. It's good, but I think Google's not liking the fact that we're not using keywords or have backlinks or things like that are important. But I'll see what you can offer and see where you think we're lacking and see what you can do to support us.
Yes. So we will let you know after researching anything. Then we can send you the information. Then you can take a look. Okay. So, gentlemen,
Sure.
thank you so much for your time. Nice to see you.
Pleasure. Nice
Bye
to meet you
bye.
too. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Bye bye.